Assalamu alaikum. Today I want to share some ways we can see that Allah exists. Number 1. Allah created the heavens, the earth and everything in them. The Quran says, "Indeed, your Lord is Allah, who created the heavens and the earth in 6 days." Chapter 7, Ayah 54. He made humans from clay and gave us life. The Quran says, "And we created man from clay." Chapter 15, Ayah 26. The sun shines and the moon follows its path perfectly. The Quran says, "It is He who made the sun to shine and the moon to follow." Chapter 10, Ayah 5. Rain comes from the sky and helps plants grow. The Quran says, "And we send down water from the sky in measure." Chapter 23, Ayah 18. Allah knows everything, even what is hidden in our hearts. The Quran says, "And with Him are the keys of the unseen." Chapter 6, Ayah 59. The earth turns every day, giving us night and day. This shows Allah is in control of everything. Water moves in rivers, rains, and oceans in a perfect cycle. This shows Allah's careful planning. Plants give us food and clean air. This shows Allah cares for all living things. Our bodies and hearts work like amazing machines, made perfectly by Allah. Babies grow into children, and children grow into adults in a wonderful way. This shows Allah's wisdom. Everything in the world has a cause. This means the world must have a creator, and that is Allah. Beautiful things don't happen by accident. They need a designer, and the designer is Allah. The universe follows rules and order. This shows it was made by someone wise, which is Allah. Our hearts understand right and wrong. This shows there's a teacher of goodness, which is Allah. The universe is huge and amazing. Only a powerful creator could make it, and that is Allah. Allah is loving, wise, and powerful, and He is always with us. Alhamdulillah, we can see His signs everywhere. Thank you for listening. I hope you liked my speech about how we can see Allah everywhere. I'm happy I could share it with you. I hope you enjoyed it. Allah Hafiz.